In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook dating not showing up. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Facebook. Now, the first thing you're going to want to check is that your profile is eligible to have the Facebook dating. To do that, what you can do is open up a new internet browser and just go ahead and Google search for Facebook dating requirements. So as you can see, to access Facebook dating, you must be at least 18 years old. You need to have a Facebook account which is in good standing, that is at least 30 days old, and you also need to live in a country where the dating is available. So if you actually click onto this, and it's going to take you across to this page where you can see some further information. So you can see on here there's a lot more information about Facebook dating, but if you do have a profile that does meet the requirements, then what you can do is come onto Facebook, and what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto your profile icon. Now from here, if you come down slightly, and you're going to see a box which says see more. If you actually press onto this, and what's going to happen, you're going to see the dating app there. So you can actually press onto this and then press on to get started to go ahead and sign up for Facebook dating. Now if you actually want to go ahead and add this to your navigation bar at the top, what you can also do is from this settings menu, you want to come up and press the gear icon just up here in the top right hand corner. Then what you need to do is come down to the preferences section and press onto navigation bar. Then go ahead and press customize the bar. And if you have signed up for Facebook dating, you're going to see it here, and it's probably going to be set to hidden. So what you can do is change this, and on one of the options you can change this to pin. And what that's going to do is add Facebook dating to your actual navigation bar at the top of the screen. So as you can see for myself, I've got watch, friends, marketplace, but if you've selected to pin it, it's going to appear at the top of the navigation bar. So if you've tried that and it's still not showing up, what I would recommend is getting in touch with Facebook support so they can look into this further. It could just be a glitch with the account or something like that, but that is how to fix if Facebook dating is not showing up. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.